Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Stage Manager without the left side app strip on Mac. So many people think that the app strip in the left side is required for Stage Manager to work, but that's not actually the case. Even if you hide the strip, Stage Manager will continue organizing your windows. The only difference is that the recent app won't remain visible all the time, gives you a cleaner or less cluttered workspace. This is a great option if you want to use Stage Manager without this left strip to be visible on the screen. So if you would like to use Stage Manager without the app strip in the left, first open system settings and then go to desktop and dock from the left side pane. Now here disable the toggle right to show recent app in Stage Manager, and as you can see here the strip will instantly disappear. If you want to access opened app or windows when using Stage Manager, or you just need to take the cursor to the left of the edge of the screen and it will start appearing. From here you can switch to another app or window, and as soon as you take away the cursor from the left side strip it will again disappear. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.